Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make chocolate truffles, aka Brigadeiros. Starting off, you're going to want 2 cans of coconut milk, half a cup of chocolate sprinkles, 50 grams of chocolate powder, and 2 teaspoons of vegan butter. Now, in a pan on medium heat, we're just going to heat up our coconut milk, keep stirring throughout, and we're going to reduce that right down. We're going to add in our vegan butter and our chocolate powder, but you're going to keep on stirring and stirring. I'm adding some optional agave in there just to make it a touch sweeter. It all depends on the chocolate powder that you're using, how sweet it is. But keep stirring that until you can split it down the middle for about 2 seconds until it rejoins. That's how you know it's ready. Next, with clean hands, you're just going to grab a pinch of what's now that chocolate spread, and you're going to roll it into a ball, dip it into the chocolate sprinkles, and plate it up. Make sure you refrigerate it, it will come out much nicer. That's it, folks. Very, very simple. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button. Love you all. Ciao for now, and I will see you on the next one.